Hey guys, and welcome back. In today's video we are going to see the recipe for the most popular non-veg curry on the planet, and you guessed it right, it's none other than the butter chicken. So what we are waiting for, let's start. Here are the ingredients. You can take a note. So for this I have taken a delicious chicken, whole tender chicken. This is important. For butter chicken, either you take tender chicken or boneless chicken. So let's start with our marination. So we will marinate in two steps. First step, let's marinate with salt and garlic ginger paste. So let's put some garlic ginger paste and mix it well. This process will create some enzyme from the paste and the salt. And the second step, I have taken around 100 gram of curd. Let's add some chili powder, some turmeric powder, and a pinch of coriander powder. And make a fine paste. Mix it well. So this would be our second step of the marination. First step, we added salt and garlic ginger paste. In the second step, I will pour this paste over the chicken, which was already marinated with the garlic ginger paste and salt. Now I am pouring this paste and mix it well. After mixing, I will put this marinated chicken into the freezer for around 2 hours. Once our chicken is marinated after 2 hours, we will do a solo fry. So I have added around 100 ml of all-purpose cooking oil and putting this marinated chicken over the stove and let it fry and shallow fry. And one thing to note here is your gas should be on high flame, otherwise chicken will release some moist. So it became golden brown. I'll put this aside. Now we will prepare our gravy, and these are the ingredients. I have taken butter, green cardamom, cloves, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, and around 200 grams of finely chopped onion, few garlic, dried red chili, cinnamon. Now add butter, around 100 gram of butter, because it's butter chicken. So we will add butter and mix all these whole spices, garlic and onion. So first we'll add the whole spices. It will add some aroma. After that we'll put onion, and you don't need to deep fry this or make it golden brown. It would remain softer. So just mix these recipes on these ingredients on medium flame and add some red chili. It's Kashmiri red chili. It's not that spicy. It will just add color to your paste. And this is most important thing, the tomatoes are around 400 gram of freshly chopped tomatoes I have added on top of onion, and now mix them well. As a next step, add half tablespoon of salt. So what it will do, it will add some moisture. It will help the tomatoes to cook faster. Tomatoes will release their pulp and it will become tender. So mix it well and wait for around 5 minutes. This is converting into a puree. Let's cool down this. I'll put these items in a mixer and we will create a fine paste. So dim the flame of the gas and let it cool and make a puree. Once your puree is ready, I'll add some more butter into the same pan. And you see here we are using the same pan for cooking. So you can say this is a single pan recipe. Isn't it simple? I added some bay leaves and green cardamom into the butter, and now I'll pour this puree and let it cook for a few minutes until a boil comes. Now it started boiling. We'll add some cumin powder to it. Mix it well. Now add some red chilli again. So this is the same Kashmiri red chilli to add color to our curry. We aren't using red chilli to make it spicy. It's just for color. Few people add color to butter chicken, but I don't prefer colors. We will add natural colors to it. And this is garam masala or meat masala. You can use either of them. A little bit and mix it well. Let it cook for some more time. And this is the cashew paste. So while preparing for this recipe, I soaked around 10 almonds and put it aside. Once they are soaked, I made a paste of cashew nuts, and the next step will add the milk cream to it. So it will give us the paste of cashew nuts, and the cream will give some richness to your gravy. It will become thick and soft and very rich. You see, this is turning to very delicious. Now add chicken, the golden brown chicken which already we have fried. Now see, this recipe is taking shape. Few more minutes we would be ready. Mix it well. I have taken some tomato ketchup. Few people add sugar also, but I would avoid sugar. This will add some tanginess in your gravy. So after adding tomato sauce, let's mix it well. Mix, gently mix. And wait for around 2 more minutes to cook. At the next step, I have taken this Kasuri Methi. These are the dried leaves, and just rinse it in your palms, and this is the final clap for your effort and patience. Mix it well. Wait for a few more minutes. And at last, now we'll dim the gas flame and add some butter. It's a butter chicken, so let's make it rich. After adding butter, mix it again, and we are almost done. So this is very simple. Even a new layman person can make this gravy very easily at home, and it's nowhere less than a restaurant butter chicken. See how rich, aromatic. I can't wait to have this. Please like and subscribe our channel to get these recipes. Thank you for watching.